Take 3. I'm the most beautiful person. Hello and welcome back to BCP's YouTube channel. Today you're here with Kate, one of the, let's be honest, the star of all the shows, and I will take you through my tutorial today on how you can look to the best of your abilities, as wonderful as I. Now we will be doing some makeup, so you might need some makeup for that. If you don't have any, you can always improvise with a pen or a pencil or some paint. So make it work, make it work, make it work. Okay, we're gonna get right into the video. First of all, get your mirror. Look at yourself and wish that you were also this stunning. And once you've done that for a little bit, we're gonna get some makeup. Now I today have some nice fancy colors and I'm going to put them onto my face. Find a brush, any brush will do, and then pick your color. Today I'm going to go for a blue to match my blue little bow. And I'm going to start with the lightest blue that I can find. And I'm going to pop it very gently, very carefully with love, yes, all over my eye. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, very good. And I'm going to do the other side straight away. Yes. Now the precision is very important. So make sure you're getting just the eyelid. Otherwise you will look like an idiot. Yes, very good. Okay, once you've got your lightest color on, very good. We're gonna move to the next color down, maybe a darker blue. Now if you don't have blue, you can use a different color, it's okay, but go from light to dark. And with the darker color, I want you to just flick a little bit, flick a little bit, flick a little bit, yes, flick a little bit. On the other side, you have to match it. Exactly. So you look at yourself in the mirror, put it here, straight on, find the exact spot, and just match it exactly to this first side. Yes, very good, very good. Very good, very nice. Very good. Now look, you might not get it as perfect as mine, but you can try, you can try. Then you're going to take a color for under the eye, like a medium one. So I'm just gonna gently under the eye, very gently, not too much, not too much. Don't stick yourself in the eye, not good. Yes. And the other side, gently, just near the waterline, Very good, very good. Yes, oh wow. Oh wow. Now, you know, you may not see the people on the street, the girls, the boys, the they, the them, the dogs, the cats. You may not see them wearing this makeup because it's avant-garde. It's avant-garde, and as a forefront in fashion in Australia and all over the world, international. Kate is international. At the forefront of fashion in Australia and internationally, this is the next look that's going to be on the catalogue. So just, yeah, embrace it. Don't put yourself in a box. Don't put yourself in a box. Here's the box. There's you. Here's the box. There's you. I don't want to be in the box. Don't put yourself in the box. So we've done with our eyes. We did it. Now we're going to go on to our eyebrows. Now for this look, you're actually going to use your lipstick. Yeah, I'm going to use our lipstick. And just very carefully, we're going to map out the brow. So I'm going to do the first brow section. Find the top of your brow. Very good. Find the bottom of your brow. Put a little spot, line, spot, spot. Then you must connect them, but we don't want to connect them in a straight line. No, we want to go on an adventure. We're going to go on an adventure over here, over there, and down. And remember, brows, the longer the brow, the better. That is one of my favorite sayings. That looks great. Now, because, you know, avant-garde, foremost in fashion, what's new, what's trending? We don't want to do two the same, no. So for my second brow, I'm going to go with this stick, and I'm gonna do the second brow with a stick. And we want a different approach now. So with this one we went on an adventure. This one we're gonna do, yeah, we're just gonna do like that. If you end up with blue or a different color in your stick, you know, you can just add a little extra. So, wow. Do you know, you have turned up on a very special day, my audience, because this is the best makeup look I've done to date. Yes, good. Okay, we're almost there, I know. We're on a time limit, The next thing you need from your makeup kit, it's right here, is your bronzer, Now we can't be too bronzed. No, it's summer here in Australia now. And we need to match the weather. Yeah, so we're just gonna take this and we're just very gently, we'll just do a line right in the middle of your nose. Yes, now it's all about the contour. Yeah, it's all about the contour. So you gotta get that line, and it's gonna make your nose look less shit. Yeah, so we'll just put it in the middle. Very good, less shit nose, good, there you go. Now find the middle of your cheekbone, and then just go down to where your lip is, and then there you want to just start in a small circle. Very good, and then bring it out, stop. That's enough. Other side, we're gonna go the opposite. We're gonna start. So you wanna go middle of your cheek, down to your lip there, start in a circle. Bring it out, and yeah, underneath on this side. Yeah. Your cheeks they're sisters, not twins. Sisters, not twins. Good. Now, if you didn't do the step before with the stick one, you get the stick and we're just gonna dab a little color onto our lips here. Very good. Very good. Just very good. Very good. And just one last bit of this look. We just have to do the outline of our lips. So we're doing it reverse. We did the color, and now we have to outline the lips. So I'm gonna go with a chilled out kind of hot pink for this one. A hot pink, yeah. And I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna start and just outline on the lips. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now be careful. You don't want to make it too much, you know, just subtle. This one's about the subtlety. And just outline underneath. Yeah, think where are my lips? Because, you know, people walking down the street 20 meters away, they can't see. So you just have to very carefully, yeah, So now, even if I'm back here, I'm like 2 meters away from you, you can see my lips. You know where they are. Yeah, that's right. Because there's nothing worse than not knowing where someone's lips are. Nothing worse. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Kate, are you gonna put on some mascara? No, because my eyelashes are very long naturally. I don't need it. But you might need to put on some mascara. So you can do that. But me, I'm blessed. So that's it. So that's the end of our tutorial today. And coming up next, check out the rest of the videos in the links around. I'm going to show you how we can pose with this makeup, and we can make you into a star, or as close as possible as I am. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this tutorial with me, Kate. And if you want to check out what else BCP has to offer on their videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.